Welcome back to SVT Outdoors, and today we're going to take a little rip on my mini bike. So this is my mini bike. I bought this thing as just a frame and a motor, kind of fixed it up, did a paint job, and got a new exhaust pipe. Oh, it's a little hot. And did some stuff to it. Got a new throttle and a throttle cable for that because I was a little broken. But fixed it all up. Now it's a nice mini bike. Got a torque converter on here that makes it a lot faster instead of just a normal clutch. My brother also has a mini bike. His goes pretty fast too. It's a little bit smaller, but they both go pretty fast. Alright guys, let's get mini biking. Alright, let's get it started here quick.
That ramp right there is fun.
Yeah. Ooh, that thing goes fast. Oh. Got some shocks on here. Takes away the bumps on our dirt road, but oh, this thing goes fast. Got a 212cc motor on here, so thing rips. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to see more outdoor videos, and we'll see you next time.